Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Update Roblox, log into the child account, and keep parent email ready. Once done, tap the profile icon at top right. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy. This is where controls live. Make sure you're on the child account, changes their control what they see. You'll use the parent email later for account recovery and permissions, so don't skip that. Now that the app and accounts are ready, proceed to adjust Chat, Friend, and Content filters. You'll now change the middle settings that matter most. In Privacy, set who can chat with me to no one or friends depending on age. Then restrict who can message me and who can join me to friends only. This blocks unknown players. Once this is done, create a 4-digit account PIN or confirm the parent email to lock settings. This prevents kids from reverting choices. Make sure to save changes. The app confirms with a checkmark. After locking, move on to Content and Purchase. Finish by securing purchases and content. In Settings, require the parent password for Robux or item purchases, or disable purchases completely. Next, enable account restrictions to force age-appropriate content filters across the app. This limits games and interactions automatically. Once locked, periodically open security and the activity log to review play and friend requests. If something goes wrong, check the parent email for verification, prompts, and reset the 4-digit PIN. If issues persist, reinstall the app and repeat these locked steps to restore controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.